Hello and welcome to UPSC Edge by Rayacademy. My name is Sankar Ray. Today I am going to teach you how to write a good answer. For that, what we will do, we will pick up a question from previous year. I am discussing about the political science optional. I will explain the topic in the first half. I will make you understand the topic. Then we will try and attempt to write a good answer as the UPSC demands. Students, last year for political science optional, there was a question state of nature as a state of war, Hobbes. 10 marks, 150 words. Before we try to make an attempt to write what should be the good answer for this particular question, let us understand the topic itself. Imagine a world where there are no laws, no government, no authority, just pure survival. This is the state of nature as described by Thomas Hobbes. In his seminal work Leviathan, Hobbes presents the idea of the state of nature is a state of war where life is solitary, poor, nasty, brutish, and short. What is the state of nature? The state of nature, according to Hobbes, is a hypothetical condition where human exists without any form of political authority. In this state, every individual has the freedom to do anything necessary for their survival. Then why a state of war? Hobbes argues that in the state of nature, there is a constant fear of death because there are no rules to prevent violence. Since everyone is equal in their ability to kill or be killed, this equality leads to mutual distrust and inevitable conflicts. Thus, the state of nature becomes a state of war where every person is against every other person. Hobbes gives a solution. He says, to escape this perpetual conflict, Hobbes suggests that creation of a social contract where individuals collectively agree to surrender their natural rights to a sovereign authority in exchange for security and peace. In essence, Hobbes' state of nature is a thought experiment that highlights necessity of powerful government to ensure peace and stability in society. Understanding Hobbes' view is a crucial for grasping the foundational ideas of political philosophy, especially the role of authority in maintaining social order. Students, I hope you have understood this particular topic. The statement as state of nature as a state of war said by Hobbes. Now what we are going to do, I'll show you a live demonstration of writing an answer on this particular topic. Students, since we knew the concept of state of nature as a state of war, 10 mark 150 words, this question was asked in UPSC CSC 2023 mains, PSIR optional. PSIR optional. So let us try to answer this question and let us see how to write this answer quickly and as per the demand of the question. First, we would give a brief introduction. What we would write? The state of nature of Hobbes was a state of lawlessness and chaos without any government organizing this individual hunt. Mankind is to compete for things it needs for survival. Such as food and shelter. So what we just did, we gave a brief introduction. You can also underline, for example, lawlessness and chaos. You can underline this one, and to compete for things which is needed for the survival, such as food and shelter. So this we have written as a part of the introduction. Let us start with the body. Hobbes mentions this dilemma of unlimited desires and limited goods. Man looks at other man as source of insecurity. Other men can take resources of pleasure from man. Since state is absent, a man has to depend on self-help. Hence, man would like to acquire power to gain security. Hence, all will be in struggle for powers. Thus, the state of nature is a state of war of all against all. In state of nature, there is no security of life. Hence, there is no scope for good life, no scope for prosperity. Art, culture, literature, man's life is nasty, poor, solitary, brutish, and short. Hence, man is the state of nature, wants to come out of the painful situation. Hobbes argues giving of rights to authority. Man would establish an authority which can bring law and order. Hobbes proposes social contract to create the authority. So this is the body part. We will write down the conclusion. Thus is the basis of Hobbes' social contract political theory. The theory has been influential yet criticized for taking away rights of individual. Students, this is the complete answer. You can see what we have done. We have started with introduction. We have written the main part of the answer as a body part. Then we have briefly concluded. I hope you like the video, and if you want more questions to be answered by me, do let us know in the comment section. I will definitely try to give you the wholesomeness of how to write an effective answer so that you can score better in the mains examinations. Thank you so much.